Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Ryan. And Ryan, as you know on our website, he has his surgery day documented. He had his surgery initially to fill in sort of the frontal hairline and the frontal half. He came back a little over 14 months ago to do primarily crown work and central area as well. So he's here now 14 months after his second surgery, his first surgery being more than 2 years ago. So, and it's cool to see his transformation over the last couple years. And we were talking about how it sort of changes things in terms of, representing yourself and first impressions when it comes to people in general or business. But tell us, Ryan, what do you think of your whole journey, from start to now, and then we'll show off your results.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's obviously been pretty incredible to kind of, I would say go against Mother Nature, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Like 3 years ago, seeing kind of the hair kind of really falling out, and then basically doing the first one, the front part has been pretty great, right?
Yeah.
And so when you
Yeah.
actually look at it,
Yeah.
really happy with kind of that change, because
Right.
now you basically people don't notice things, and then you look kind of like, it's just like that's not an issue. But then
Right.
when you look at the kind of the crown part,
Yep.
obviously that was falling out, and you'll probably see before at
Yep.
pictures of that being a pretty big issue. But even when you see someone that has hair in the front and then just crown issues, that's pretty much
Right.
normal, right? I remember average kind of
Yep.
most people have that issue.
Yep.
And so
And we were talking again, the crown is a little bit harder to create density because the hairs are in different directions in that spiral as opposed to the front. So, but it, And then you said, at work, it's good to have that sort of first impression.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yep.
so I mean, it definitely helps in business and presentations. And so, came back, tried to fill out the crown a little more.
Yep.
Obviously, great improvement.
Yep.
Having realistic expectations in regards to, I'm not going to have the hair of Dr. Hubner here. But I mean, the reality is it's I definitely think it's paid off, and
Awesome.
I'm happy with the results.
Awesome. Let's have you, if you mind, just do, when you had that chin down, maybe just hold it there for a second, and I can put some befores and afters. Yep. So,
Okay.
And down even a little bit more, Ryan, if you would. Perfect. Right there. So you can just kind of see the difference. And as you can see, from the spiral a little bit, in terms of seeing the scalp a little bit through there. Again, the crown's a little bit harder to create density. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate that. And but thank you so much for sharing your journey. And again, if he ever wanted to go under and do this process again, maybe in a couple years, he could always fill in the crown a little bit more, and that would sort of double up on that percentage that he got there. So, Ryan, again though, thank you for being an advocate and sharing your story, your whole journey. And I know you have a little bit of a fan club going on, so it's good that we did this video so they can kind of see where you are. But awesome, man. Anything you would say to people that are maybe on the fence about a hair transplant, or whether it, how it's going to look?
Yeah, I mean, I think same thing as last time, right? Initially, the first one was definitely scarier, right? Scarier than the second one because I didn't know what to expect, right? And I think Dr. Peter does a great job with these videos to kind of being able to share those experiences where you can just watch the video and be kind of a fly in the room to see that it's, the advances that they have in technology now, right?
Yep.
And so it's pretty cool to kind of say, Mother Nature kind of asked me to be bald, and then now it's like, okay, now I'm not. This is cool.
Yeah.
I got probably 10 years, 20 years more, and then probably it'll fall out, and then I'll probably have to see Dr. Hubner again. But,
well, the stuff that we put in is never going to fall out, right?
Yeah.
So that will be permanent. But yes, can you lose more of your natural hair? Absolutely. So, yeah. Oh, awesome.
Yeah, but this is great.
Awesome. Well, thanks again, Ryan, and thanks again for being an advocate for our practice. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Right.
Thanks so much.
Yes. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.